Biryani today, and for that it's a very easy recipe. I'm going to follow all these instructions given on this box. I have taken 1 tablespoons of fish biryani masala. I have taken 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of garlic ginger paste, and 1 kilo fish with bones, right? You can also use boneless fish. I'm going to use everything and marinate all of this. Preparing the fish curry, and for that, for the biryani, now as you can see that I've already taken 3 medium size onions and I've fried it to golden brown, right? You need this color. Now after that I'm going to add the tomatoes and I'm going to let it fry. Tomato, I'm going to add this entire masala, fish biryani masala. I used 1 tablespoon for marination. Now I'm going to add it all together in the biryani. Okay, I'm going to give it a mix and I'll add some water, 1/4 cup of water, and going to simmer it. Just going to cook the gravy till it becomes thickened, just for 5 to 10 minutes. This time you can see after 10 minutes you can see that the curry is nicely thickened. Now I'm going to add the marinated fish into it, all of it. I'm going to add all the fish and I will simmer it for 5 minutes and I'll close the stove. Oh guys, after I cooked the fish for I think 15 to 20 minutes, so that the fish is all done, the curry for the biryani is absolutely ready. Now I'll prepare the rice. In this I have taken half of the curry out in this other dish. For the biryani layering, I'm going to add the rice till it's all covered up. Okay, I'm just going to do the layering of the biryani, right? I'm going to add the rice, then I will put the curry again, and I'll put the rice again. Put some, after the second layering, I put some fried onions, which I had fried before, and I put some food color, orange food color, and now I'm going to sprinkle it with coriander, and then I will just put it for simmer. I'm going to simmer the rice. I'm going to keep it on a very low heat for about 5 to 10 minutes till I get the steam. Okay, the fish biryani is absolutely ready. The fish is very tender. I'm going to give it a try. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll also mention the recipe in the description bar. It was very simple to make it, guys.